Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. You'll need to unlock it by entering your passcode or using your fingerprint, depending on your security settings. Once you're logged in, make sure you are on the Crypto tab and click Manage Crypto to view your available tokens. Look for BNB in the list. If you don't see it right away, tap the search icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the token search page. In the search bar, type BNB and you should see an option called BNB Smart Chain. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap on that switch to enable BNB Smart Chain in your wallet. Once you've done that, go back to your home screen and you should now see BNB listed. Tap on BNB and you'll see several options like Send, Receive, Buy, and Swap. To find your BNB BEP20 address, tap on Receive. Your BNB wallet address will appear on the screen. If you want to copy the address, just tap on the Copy button. If you'd like to share it directly with someone, tap on Share, choose any messaging or social media app, and send it to your friend or family member. And that's how you find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.